Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your McAfee Cloud account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your McAfee Cloud account, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the McAfee official website. In the top right corner, click on the Sign In button. Enter your registered email address associated with your McAfee account. Next, type in your password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, look for the verification prompt on your account dashboard. Check your registered email inbox for a verification email from McAfee. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Open the verification email and find the verification link provided. Click on the link to verify your account. You will be directed back to the McAfee website, indicating your account is now verified. If verification is successful, you may see a confirmation message. If you encounter any issues, check the FAQs on the McAfee website for troubleshooting tips. Feel free to reach out to McAfee support for further assistance if needed. You are now ready to use your McAfee Cloud account with full access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.